all of us, I think it's very crystal clear that digital learning is here to stay with us. Let us shift our focus from exams to build grit in every new gen learner. Grit is defined as perseverance, passion, and patience. When students will not give up because something is boring or something is too hard. The question is, how do we organize such building of grit into a personality? So let's look at a fundamental literacy skill through online learning, where students master one skill after another. And these learning experiences have built-in feedback and coaching facilities, and is also monitored by their mentors. Apps can be personally crafted or standardized to selectively meet individual needs. Many such online products are already being used very, very successfully, especially during the lockdown period. Manga Hai for math, Writing Tutor for writing, iExcel are some of the online activities that we've been engaged with. These learning experiences build into the agenda, empowering students with grit, as they are based on the formula, try, and you will succeed. They have an added advantage of social distancing, required not only for COVID-19, but also to save face in front of quick learners while in a group study. Apart from this, if we look at a typical class in Delhi, where the students are learning about Arctic by following a team of scientists who are on an expedition in that region. They will read their blogs, they view maps and photographs, they email their queries, and they conference with other students in Australia who are also studying the same region. Finally, they are asked to build a campaign on Visit Arctica. I know this is more for international schools, but such classes are happening right now. For such a class, the students will need direction by facilitators and a very gadget-heavy classroom, where the facilitator will probably see what every student is engaged with and give them personalized directions into their small group or individuals. So large and small screen, broad width, hearing aids, you can talk of umpteen amount of technology. Very flexible seating will be at the heart of it, and very easily movable flexi classes. Apart from these very high digitalized classrooms, we would also need several spaces to build solid grid through use of hands. Master chef kitchens, dye and print fabric shops, carpentry dens, cafeterias with shared space learning. Students will start to establish strong links through design, product, usability, correction, marketing, and face hurdles, and look for solutions. All this will strengthen their grit development. The digital world rethought out and restructured curriculums and learning spaces where objectives will essentially lead to strengthening the grit will work together. It is this single-minded focus of us educators that will lead to a generation of citizens who will be ready to learn and relearn. They will be flexible enough to take on the world however it moves, as the world of tomorrow is undefined, unknown, and is shapeless. So we will nurture a generation of caring, responsible people who will shape their own destiny with grit as an innate strength in their personalities. After all, every story happened because someone decided not to give up.